Lucy, you can't come on this one. So where are we going?
We are going up and over into Tibble Fork Reservoir. And it's going to be awesome. I feel like that's more than usual.
What are your reflections so far?
So far?
Mm-hmm.
My reflections are...
It's like we're glued together right here.
Yeah.
Go on.
My reflections are that we have a lot to talk about.
But all secret stuff that we'll never tell.
We had a really great dating life, and we've had a really great marriage since then. And we're not hiking very fast, and we need to spend more time working out so that we're in better shape and can hike faster.
Yeah, at this rate, Kilimanjaro would take us like 14 days instead of 8. This is where people usually hike to, but instead of stopping and turning around here, we're hiking further and over there. Well, kind of over there. It's more like over there, right?
Yeah. You can't see the path from here.
But still, pretty cool.
Let me go home. Home is wherever I'm with you. Let me go home. Home is wherever I'm with you.
One thing about being married to Brian, you have to learn how to eat off of a knife. It's just part and parcel of the... We're eating mangoes like pirates and philosopher kings. I'm still learning.
Till we think we're down, barefoot on the summer night. Never could be sweeter than with you. And in the streets you run free like it's only you and me. Cheers, you're something to see.
So there's a really cool lake out here. And it's really loud. I did that, and it set off some coyotes howling, and it was really cool. Woo!
That one went on forever.
Yeah, I think it bounces off those balls too.
Let me go home. Home is wherever I'm with you. Let me go home.
While we've been hiking, Brian has been teaching me a poem, and now I have it memorized, I think. He's memorized a lot of stuff, so it's a fun go-to thing on our hikes. It's called Good Timbers. Who's the poet?
I don't know off the top of my head.
I'll look it up and put it at the bottom of the screen or something. Okay. Okay. The tree that never had to fight for sun and air and sky and light, but stood out in the open plain and always got its share of rain. Never became a forest king, but lived and died a scruffy thing.
The man who never had to toil to gain and farm his patch of soil, who never had to win his share of sun and sky and light and air, never became a manly man, but lived and died as he began. Good timber does not grow with ease. The stronger wind, the stronger trees. The further sky, the greater length. The more the storm, the more the strength.
Where thickest lies the forest growth, you'll find the patriarchs of both, and they hold counsel with the stars, whose broken branches show the scars of much of toil and much of strife. This is the common law of life.